Watch carefully. Today you'll see exactly how to fix highs and lows instantly, no guessing. By the end of this video, you'll know the step-by-step logic to mark every level perfectly with complete precision and speed. Now watch. With the tool applied, it plots the levels we just mapped manually so you can mark every level faster and more clearly. You'll never miss a key point in the market. Stop wasting time on charts. Pro version 3 plots structure instantly and helps you learn faster. Step 2 of the structure system. Click the link in the description to get it now. What you just saw comes from this exact logic. Let's clear the chart. I'll show you what the tool is reading. Watch this. Before we mark those highs and lows on this chart, show you how easy this is done. Let me just show you the concept of understanding how we find these highs and lows. Now I'm going to talk about an uptrend and we'll reverse it in a downtrend. But if we're looking at, let's say, a bullish market, I'll just change this color so it's a solid candle. Let's say we have a bullish move to the upside followed by another bullish move. What we're basically looking for here to find a valid high is we need to see the low of this candle being closed through by a bearish candle. That is the sequence. So if we see the next candle doing this, and I'll make that into a red candle, if we see this actually happening, closing through, it gives me a valid high I can mark in the market. It is that simple. Now the same process you'll see as we go through marking up these highs and lows will be when we're marking our low as well. So as you go through price, you'll see how easy this can be done instantly in your charts, understanding how to map those highs and lows with no more guessing. So let's just remove this. We'll go on to this price chart on a weekly time frame on a US dollar CAD. And I'm just going to start by mapping this out. Let's use this as a valid point in the market. Now, why is this a valid high? Let's go closer in. We can put on my magnetic tool and we can put this in the right place. So when we actually see this candle closing down, let me go closer in. We just went through on that demonstration for you. We're looking for the low to be closed through, and that's what happens on that candle. Let me just put an arrow above the candle so you can see the same candle we're talking about. This candle closes down below the previous low of this candle. This is what validates the high in the market for me. Now at the same time, I'm going to show you what happens to find the actual low, because this is more important for you. When we see a break of structure, which happens on this candle right here, once we identify that break of structure, we look back for the same sequence. Now, right here is this candle. It closes down below this previous candle's low. And this now gives me a validation of this low in the market as my valid low. And the same thing when we're looking for a valid high, we're going to look for the same sequence. Another close down on this candle, and this becomes my valid high. So that quickly, we've just identified our high and our low on this weekly time frame trading range. And that trading range is going to be from this low to this high in this move here to the upside. That is all you need to understand when it comes to those highs and lows in the market. Let me just shrink this chart out so you can see what's going on. Now, within this move, we have internal structure, but I just want to really indicate to you how you can see the move here to the upside. So once you understand the way we map this out, when we look at from this move to downside, we'll be looking for a different scenario. Now, it's going to give you an idea here so you can see what's happening. Let's look at this move to the upside. When we see this candle closing above this candle's high, what this gives me is a valid low. Now this becomes a close to downside. Just like we saw when we're looking for the breakout for the valid low, we do the same sequence for a valid high. Once this candle closes through, we look back the last time we see a close up this time. And that is right there on this candle. And that creates that as a valid high in the market. As price continues to drop, we see the next close up above a previous candle's high. Again, like here, this gives me a valid low I can mark in the market. And that is how simple this is to map out your highs and lows. This is fully mechanical. That means you can never go wrong. Once you start, continue with this process, it will always be correct. Now, as I said at the beginning of this video, we can make this even faster for you. And the way we're going to do that is, let me remove these levels. Let's go back to current price. And we'll remove these as well, as we can apply the actual NFX Pro version 3 tool onto the chart. As soon as this is turned onto the chart, it's going to map those highs and lows instantly for my trading range. So we've got our current strong low to our weak high, and this is a previous high that we saw broken. What that becomes is a break of structure, and this area in between is basically the internal structure in the market. Now, the actual process of mapping internal structure is exactly the same, and if you want to see on how we look at internal structure, do check out the video above now, because that goes through in much more detail how we look at internal structure in the market with this process. But that is how simple it is to automate this with the companion tool. Now let me just go to a lower time frame so you can see how this works across all time frames. On a 4-hour time frame, instantly mapped. If I even go down to a 1 minute time frame, and this is what I'm going to show you now, many people say this isn't going to work. It's going to do it on a 1 minute. And if I go back to a replay mode, and we'll map this on this area, and as we go through, I'll show you in a moment how you can grab this tool for the lowest price it's ever going to be. Now, when we go forward, you're going to see as the market pulls back and closes down with this candle, it creates this current 1 minute high. Now, it's also going to show me a 4-hour high, because the way I've got this set up, it shows me my higher time frames of a 4-hour and a daily on that same time frame. But as we continue forward with price quickly, just to show you one more time, as the market continues up, you're looking for the break. There's the break. As soon as it breaks out, it maps that low in the market. No thinking, it's instantly done for you. As soon as you come onto the charts, it's going to place all the levels on the chart, and it's going to make your life that much faster. No more mistakes are going to come in, because you're no longer going to be thinking, am I marking this right? Is this the right place? Is this the correct way that Jonathan was teaching me when we went through that manual area of understanding how to map those highs and lows? Now you can see how much faster it is by using the companion tool. Now I'll keep watching and go through exactly what this tool contains, what you're going to get with it, how you can get in with the cheapest price ever. You've just seen exactly how that tool can automate and speed up the full process. Now let me go through step by step, showing you exactly what the tool can do and to help you stop making those mistakes in your own trading with structure. So the actual tool itself will plot those highs and lows, break of structure, internal structure in the market, and what you're going to see is imbalances. I'm going to go through every single step now to show you exactly what the tool is going to do for you and how it's going to help you. Now, one of the biggest things I get asked is, can this work on lower time frames? Absolutely. It can work on any asset, any time frame. It will work perfectly and precisely every single time. Let me go through quickly and show you. We're on a monthly time frame. Instantly, when it's turned on, if I show you, turn the actual tool off, we have a blank chart. As soon as it's turned on, it's going to plot the current previous monthly break of structure and the current monthly high and the low. Now, as you go in, you'll see that these highs are marked. This is marked with a WH. Now what that means, it means a weak high in the market. And what we expect to see is the market's going to want to continue up to run that weak high. And when we look down below, you're going to see the 1 month is a SL, which is a strong low in the market. So basically what you're looking for is for the market to come back to give you a reason to buy that market to run that weak high. And that's the way the actual indicator is coded to allow you to see all this information. Now, as well as those actual breaks of structure, when we see those highs and lows plotted, we're also going to see the areas of what I call dynamic imbalances. Now, this is something that I use myself and has been coded into this actual indicator. It's only going to show certain actual imbalances in the market, not every single one. There is a way we can go into the settings, and I'll show you in a second, and you can mark every single imbalance if it's the way you like to trade. But for me, I like to see those imbalances below and above price. So this is the monthly time frame. We drop down to weekly. It's instantly going to plot them on for a weekly chart as well. We also have what we call internal structure that can be applied within the swing mode. So this is our swing mode to downside, where we see a change of character has formed. And then we start to see internal breaks of structure, the IBOS in the market. Now, when it comes to the actual tool itself, you're not limited to the size of the text, the actual lines, the colors, everything is customizable to make it exactly the way you like to trade in your strategy. So inside the settings, you have quite a few different settings, but it's going to show you all the settings you need to understand for all the time frames, how you can use multiple time frames. It's going to plot those higher time frames on your lower time frame chart. So if you see here, we've got a higher time frame 2, higher time frame 3. We have the current chart we're on. Now, if I just go through and place that back, and we're going to go down to a 30-minute time frame because we had a current 4-hour and daily set. What you're going to see when I actually shrink that chart down, you're going to find we have the 4-hour, the daily, and my 30-minute structures all on the same time frame. That is applying multiple time frames on one single time frame. Makes things much faster for you. Now, obviously, you can still scroll through those time frames. If you don't want to use this, you can turn it on and off. To make it even better, we even added this down here on that actual time frame. This helps you to quickly look through pairs and instantly see, without any decision making, is it bullish or is it bearish market? And that was going to take away so much time in looking through current pairs in the market. Now, we can go all the way down to the 1 minute time frame, and I'll show you the same thing. On a 1 minute time frame, it's going to plot those structures. Now, we can go back into the tool. If you don't want the multiple time frames, higher time frame structure, we can quickly turn those off, and we'll go back and I'll just have the 1 minute time frame in play. So now we can identify where we have the 1 minute structure. Now let me quickly just show you a replay mode of this. So as the market moves forward, it's going to plot everything in real time. So we go forward, you'll see how it's actually mapping those breaks of structure. As the market moves, it's also bringing and moving those areas of imbalances. Now there's an actual way we trade these imbalances, but that's inside step 3 of the structure system. This tool is basically your step number 2. Step number 1 is learning this manual structure that I teach you inside this channel. People who do go through the automation of the tool never go back to manual marking again. You can see how quickly it actually maps this, the structure breaks, everything in real time, internal structure again there, a new structure break. And you can see where we've got the previous imbalances as well. Now, I did say if you want all your imbalances, there's a way you can actually just turn on the candle imbalances. And what it's going to show you is every single candle which created an imbalance in the market. And also understanding these previous highs in the market where we have potential orders sitting above these highs, which will also act as liquidity in the market. So that is the tool. There's much more to learn about the tool, but you can learn all of that inside the actual course material. So you'll find there's a link down below in the description of this video. That'll bring you to this page where you can actually grab the tool right now and lock in for a lifetime price before it increases at £29 per month. Now you can go through the page, you can learn much more on the tool through the page, but if you want to sign up right now, click that Get Monthly Access button, and there's a few options down here. Now, right now, the best price ever is the £29 a month. That is going to be increasing very soon back to £39 per month. But first, let me show you what you're going to gain access to when you do join up. First is going to be the Structure Companion Tool course. Now, inside this course, is going to go through everything step by step on how you set up indicator on your TradingView platform. It shows you exactly how everything works and what you need to apply it correctly inside the charts. So inside Discord, you're going to have an announcement, a support channel where you can ask questions and get everything answered instantly within this area with all the questions, and we answer those questions, help you out whenever you're stuck with that tool. There's a share your win section. Now, this is where I want to show you. People are already using this tool to their advantage. We've got Dan White here, just become a funded trader using the actual tool in his own trading. Previous new members that are coming in, you see trades, profits are being made just by using and adding the tool into their current trading themselves. This is what you need to stop any mistakes you potentially could be having right now with your market structure. Once you tie in market structure, everything logically fits in place. You can see that there's many members in here having success after success since they've been using the actual indicator. There's one thing I haven't shown you yet on the indicator, which is an asset we've just added in. And let me just go back quickly to those charts. Inside here, the settings, What you can also add on is a stats table. Now this stats table itself is going to help you to understand whether a first or second break of structure is a good time to take a trade. More on that is inside that course. If you're ready to stop making those mistakes, have more time to trade and less time manually marking everything up, never mark manually, use the automation. It's the way forward when it comes to structure. Links in the description of this video, and I'll see you inside. To see more ways to apply market structure concepts step by step, watch the next video. It teaches how to see price and structure across multiple charts for maximum clarity and precision.